Weather Service
Since when did this thing activate on the first tone?
Thunderstorm warning for South Central Ogle County in North Central Illinois, North Central Lee County in North Central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Heck yeah.
Source, public. Multiple reports of hail around golf ball size with the storm. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Clean all crap off my desk.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Grand Detour, and Nakusa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for southwestern Ogle and northwestern Lee counties. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Polo, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and